Hi guys, Mike here, the sound guy for you, and this time I'm reviewing the Sharp Bluetooth boombox GX-BT9 model, and I've had this actually for some time here now, but I really been enjoying it since I bought it. It's got one heck of a sound output to it. As I mentioned, it's got Bluetooth. You can pair this up, with your smartphone if you wanted to. You can get, you've got a tuner in this, so you can get FM radio if you wanted to. It's got an extra bass button right there if you wanted to get the extra bass, but to tell you the truth, this thing already puts out a ton of bass. It's got a couple of drivers up front here on the massive front of this speaker, and then you've got your bass subwoofers, one on that side, and if I can move it, one on that side, and they light up. You can set it up to light up while it plays if you want. This comes with a full-featured remote, which works very well. I've used it quite often. It plugs into house current, but it does take batteries if you wanted to have it be a portable unit, take it out to the beach or wherever you wanted to go with it. And it does put out a massive sound for, not being a regular full-size surround sound system, being just a portable unit. The only bad thing I don't like about this is it does not have an equalizer that you can set it. It has presets okay, there's the buttons for the presets there, but it does have an EQ. But see, there again, it has preset EQ functions on it, which means that you can't really set the equalizer the way you want it to, but nonetheless it still puts out a great sound. And you can, if you do want to mess with the presets on it, that's perfectly well. It does give you different types of sound. It also has this carrying strap. This unit weighs probably, I believe, around 14 pounds, and that's without the batteries. With the batteries, it's going to be like a couple of pounds heavier than that. But anyway, I'm going to give you a sound demonstration, so I'm going to pause the video here just for a second. I turn the extra bass on. Okay, that's a little demonstration of the Sharp GX-BT9 boombox, and As you can hear, it puts out a ton of bass. I turned the extra bass on, and just for demonstration purposes. But of course, without it, it still sounds really like a beast. And anyway, so if this helps you, any of you folks out there, to maybe want to purchase this, it is one heck of a good sounding music maker, and I would definitely recommend it. I love it myself. I can, like I said, pair my phone with it and use it, and it just sounds fantastic if you're just wanting a portable unit around the house or to take with you. So I am going to sign off now. This is Mike, the sound guy for you. Hope you enjoyed this, and you guys have a great rest of the day.